How do I get it off? Oh. Oh. There.
We wouldn't actually want you to die, though.
Hmm? Wait, you want me to die?
I said we wouldn't actually want you to die. What'd you say?
Yeah. Goodness, I'm gonna burp.
Okay. I don't know what you want me to say in response to that. You're gonna burp. Why are you making that face?
Because it hurts.
Is that your burp face? You look like you're gonna. You look like a dog. You look like.
They got like 12th, right? 9th? Oh my god, I'm literally dying right now. I don't know why I'm burping so much. Oh my.
Donald's got the best fries.
McDonald's has better fries than Pop.
Italy is beautiful. My favorite city is Venice. Where did my freaking chat go? Oh no, it's going slow fade. That was for you, Denial.
Excuse me? So.
Maya! No! Is it right here? I might have figured it out. No. I forgot to say something.
That's it. Excuse me, I missed your previous comments. No, I think. Excuse me. And.
I hope.
I could push burp the alphabet. Let's hear it. Okay, that's all you're getting. That's
Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wait a minute. Excuse me.
Yo, yo, yo.
This one jumping in puddles. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
She's like.
Pardon me. Hi, Fri. It just feels like it's gonna come out. That was half of it. What flavor was that?
great. I couldn't do it. Like one bite. I'm always like, wait, this isn't that much. Oh. And then it's so bad. Okay.
Burp contest. You just missed it. Excuse me. Some shorts. What? Located.
And the pants that I'm wearing. And then I got.
Excuse me.
This teal top.
Probably not. Okay. I need to work out. I'm stalling. Like doing stuff like this and it being all love. Excuse me, by the way. I don't. Maybe we'll cut that. It's the better. Oh, excuse me. Bye.
Oh, ik word er echt vol van die dingen.
My life.
Do you quit?
I'm gonna have to.
And it's weird that I think about that because I'm like, I don't even watch.
My eyes just look weird in it. Excuse me. A chiropractor ASAP. Wow, that was crazy. Excuse me. Immediately. Excuse me. Where's our pasta? I ate it. School. Excuse me. I was
chialerais si je mettais des rottes dans mes vidéos parce que j'en fais tellement pendant que je tourne. Pour aller avec le...
Ok. Stop it. Ça pue là, pour 2.
Nomme-moi.
de sa jeunesse.
Je te laisse.
On a ces tests-là.
Agréable.